there, and welcome back to Missy's Kitchen, coming to you from the beautiful province of Prince Edward Island. Today in the kitchen we're going to be making a Dalgona coffee, or better known as a whipped coffee. So the ingredients that we're going to use for our whipped coffee are instant coffee, sugar, water, and some milk for later on in the recipe. So what we're going to do is take our 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and add that to the bowl, 2 tablespoons of our sugar, and 2 tablespoons of our cold water. And you're going to need a hand mixer or a stand mixer, whatever you have. And you're going to beat this for approximately 5 minutes, and it will change form. So I'm going to go ahead and start. And you're at the right consistency now. Okay, next step, you're going to get whatever milk that you want to use. You can use almond milk, skim milk. I've got homogenized milk here. Probably use chocolate milk if you wanted to, and you're just going to fill your glass about 3/4. And then you're just going to scoop your topping, your coffee topping right on the top there. And there you have it, a Dalgona coffee. This is the perfect drink to have on the patio, and that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now.